Do you feel the heat? Do you feel the sun blazing down on Pueblo? What's up, guys? It's Jamie with Yoder Storage Sheds. And with spring coming, we're going to talk about our 3 styles of sheds for 2022. First of all, we're going to start with our side lofted barn, one of our more popular styles. So with the side lofted barn, you obviously have a 6-foot door on the side, or a 4-foot door, whatever your preference is. And then you have the option of a 4 to 8-foot loft on either end.
Hey, I'm Jonathan Wagler with Yoder Storage Shed, and number 2 on the list is this 10x10 utility. And the utilities are a very economical building. They're easy to roof, paint, and build, and they look nice.
Hi, my name is Cody with Yoder Storage Sheds, and number 3 on the list is our Deluxe Utility. The Deluxe Utility features 2 windows on the side as well as 6-foot double doors. This specific one has the double doors with the transom windows to let in a little bit of extra light and give it a little bit more of an upscale look. The dormer, you know, it's got that little raised pitch, adds some character to the building, makes it look not so much like a shed, and gives it a little bit more of that cottage look.